Hello everyone, welcome to Page Bentin Jay Arise. I'm Debbie. Today we going to learn lesson 8 about Tower of Babel. In this video we can learn 3 words together. So the first word, picture. Picture. Picture can spell P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. Example, I like your picture. I like your picture. Second, speak. Speak. Speak can spell S-P-E-A-K. Speak. Example, I can speak English. I can speak English. Third, want. Want. Want can spell W-A-N-T. Want. Example, I want to eat ice cream. I want to eat ice cream. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 3 words that we learned and leave it a comment so that we can have checked. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up. If not, we will have correct. If you want to watch full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.